Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Cleanse skin and pat dry before applying the toner. Use a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water to remove makeup and oils. Patch test a small area on your jawline or inner forearm and wait 24 hours for any reaction. Shake the bottle to mix vitamin C, then dispense 3 to 5 drops or 2 pumps onto a cotton pad or your fingertips. Avoid the eye area and lips. If irritation occurs, rinse with cool water and stop use. Apply 3 to 5 drops to a cotton pad or your fingertips and sweep gently across forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Do not rub harshly. Avoid the eye area and wait 60 to 90 seconds for the toner to absorb and for skin pH to balance. If using additional actives, layer a hydrating serum after the toner and then follow with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. In the morning, finish with SPF 30 or higher. In the evening, follow your regular routine. Start every other day for 2 weeks to build tolerance, then increase to daily application as tolerated. Discontinue use if persistent redness or burning develops. Use SPF 30 or higher in the morning to protect skin after vitamin C application, because vitamin C can increase sun sensitivity. Store the toner in a cool, dark place away from heat and direct sunlight, and replace the product after 3 months or when color and scent change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.